Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute the CSR2 racing game on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CSR2 game on your device, and once it is loaded, you might be asked to log in if you haven't done so already using your online saved data or the saved data on your phone. After logging in using either one of these methods, you will be taken into the main menu for the game. Now in order to open up and expand the menu, tap on the arrow button at the left side and this will open up the menu page. From this page, tap on the gear icon at the right side and you will end up within the options. From the options page, scroll down and you will find the mute music as well as the mute SFX option. You can tap on these options and this will mute your music as well as the sound effects within the game right away. And now when you play your game, you will not hear any more sounds from CSR2. If you wish to change this setting once again, you can go back into the main menu and expand the page and go back into the settings page to turn on the sound and the music once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to mute or unmute your CSR2 racing game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.